Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Dylon here. If you don't know who I am, then fuck you. I'm doing a fucking Waterfall quest. I just got Runescape memberships. I'm here with my friend Dank. Say hello.
My name's Dinky.
Alright, so I got all the stuff that I need for the quest, but oh shit, I need to go put my entire bank of 73k back into the bank.
Actually, that's pretty good for a noob.
Is it really?
How the hell did you get 73k?
Freaking limpwort roots, man. Limpwort roots, salmon, and fucking raw trout.
Yep. No, those. Oh yeah, it is. Outpost.
Tears of Guthix. What the fuck is that?
Guthix.
Oh, Guthix.
Tears of Guthix.
Fucking. Alright. Osu Buddy is so useful.
Osu Buddy.
I mean OS Buddy. I don't play Osu.
Nick.
Nick. Yeah, so we have this fan Nick, and he's a cool guy. It's not like we've known him for years and he ditched us to play Osu with his other friends. It's not like we haven't talked to him in 8 months.
It's gay.
Alright. Ah, hello there! Nice to see an outsider for a change. Are you busy? I have a problem. I'm afraid. I'm in a rush. How can I help? Fucking Jesse.
What?
Fight me. It's my son Hudon. Poor lad can't even swim. What a little noob. I could go take a look for you if you like. Would you? You are kind. You can use a small raft out back if you wish. Alright, cool.
Best accent ever.
What?
Nothing, man. Like a raft or something.
Yeah, a tiny raft. You board the small raft, you push off downstream. Whoa! You crash into a small mound. Hello, son, are you okay? You need help? It looks like you need help.
Video.
What?
It's gonna be a 2 hour long video.
Nah, dude! I'm fine. Wait, then what do I do if you don't fucking want my help? So you're still here? I'll find treasure soon, just to wait and see. Alright, what do I do now?
Mate, you have a fucking guide up.
I'm stuck! Like, I'm stuck. The raft is broken. I'm stuck on a little mountain.
You have to rope the
Oh, that's what I need the rope for. What the heck? I died.
You died?
I think so. You are washed downstream, but feel lucky to be alive. What the hell? Where the heck am I?
Are you following the fucking guide?
Yeah, I'm following the guide. I don't know what happened. Oh god, I'm gonna suck at being a YouTuber.
You have to rope the rock, like, in front of you.
Which rock?
It's like a rock. There should be.
That rock? Use rope to rock.
Poor lad can't
Boom.
even swim.
Alright. Now what? Tie it around. There we go. Get in barrel. The barrel falls off the ledge.
See, you idiot, Kevin.
Was I not supposed to do that?
Yeah, I think you are.
But now
I don't think you needed to walk all the way back up there to do it again, though.
What the fuck?
Because you already got it down. I think I was just trying to tell you how to get down.
What the hell? Oh dang, but I'm an idiot. Is this the place? This isn't the place. Is it the place? Maybe it's the place. I mean, this is the only building I see, and it said go to a building, so... This RuneScape music is godlike.
Can't go turn this shit off.
Search bookcase.
Did you find it?
Book of Boxatorian. Or Baxtorian. What the fuck ever it's called.
Progress is being made.
Progress is being made. It's being made, everybody. You see this? I'm the best streamer out there. I'm the
Not
best.
even streaming.
Dude, I'm the best. I mean, I'm the best YouTuber out there. Look at this. I'm the best. I can dance and everything. I got the zombie dance. Wow, wow.
This video's gonna keep me.
This video is gonna get shit views. Oh god.
Don't worry, we can just edit everything
Found
out.
Trino Village.
You know exactly what that is.
I have no clue where the fuck Trino Village is. If you have not done the Trino Village quest, you will have to navigate through the maze.
See you later. Thanks for playing. Have fun with that maze.
Nah, there's a picture right here that says where I need to go, so I'm good. I'm good. I don't know how to get to Trino Village though.
Is it Moss Giant?
I think so.
Are they green?
Yeah, they're big and green.
Yeah, they'll probably want to Kappa.
Oh shit. Is it really Kappa or is it true?
No, I think their max hit's like 8.
Oh. Fucking noobs.
Nice music, Oscar.
Dude, I'm the best at singing Runescape music, man. They should hire me to make all the soundtracks. Alright, I'm back, everyone. You shall wonder why I'm naked. It's because I just found out there's gonna be a pot where I can't hold shit in my inventory or bank or wear it or anything like that. So I'm just here now. And I look like Bob. And this is great. Alright, so I gotta go through this maze. And I'm looking at the guide on how to do it real fast. And there's wolves in here. So like, I'm gonna die. So best of luck to me.
So, see you in Lumberton.
See you in Lumbridge. Alright, I'm at the end of the maze. Oh, the pebbles.
What the hell are the pebbles?
Yeah, where the hell are the pebbles? Where are the pebbles?
Didn't it say get a key first?
Yeah, but I don't know where to get the key. Giant bats, the keys are over
I know how to
here.
read.
I got a key. Alright, cool. Just giant bats, zombies, and fucking hobgoblins, don't worry. At least they're not as bad as the hobgoblins on Destiny.
So you may get one shot.
Open door. Open door. Open door. Use key on door. The key fits. You open the door. Alright, cool. Alright. 2 pebbles. If I am right here, I go up. Up. And go to the penis. Alright.
Mate, I'll fucking slaughter you.
Alright guys, I'm here at the next part. It says what I gotta do is I gotta go to the tombstone. Alright, that's all I know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, use the pebble on it. That's right. Alright. Alright, I got the amulet. Now head
Get
south.
multiple.
What?
Get multiple amulets, remember?
Oh shit. Fucking about to get one hit. Holy fuck. Oh my god.
Die.
No. Fucking someone hit a 14 on me. I was like, holy shit.
See, idiot.
33 health points though.
Why the fuck call them health points, mate?
HP points?
Fucking hit points, not health points.
Like the fuck up.
Damn it, I wanted you to die. That was hilarious.
Alright, so right here, I just got that.
Scared to get one shot or two.
No. I'm going. I'm running. Well, I don't really have run, so I'm not really running, but, you know. Nothing's attacking me. I don't know why. Run, 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 run. Alright, cool. So now I gotta go back. Over here. Alright, get on the small raft. Crash, because I'm an idiot. Alright. Turn around. Jesse, what are you doing?
Trying to buy shit, but it's not selling.
Go fight, kid. Boom. Alright. Climb across this. Go down here. Alright. Go in here. The door begins to open. Alright, now where do I go first? Because I know there's an order that you're supposed to do this. Let's do this.
Let's do this, Leroy.
Leroy! Oh my god, that rat! It's gonna kill me, spider! Ah! I didn't mean to punch you, but okay. Hey, look, it's a Lord Voldemort. It's fucking Lord Voldemort, dude. You find a large key. Alright, cool. 6 pillars. Alright, so here we go. We gotta use one of those. One of those. One of those. Alright. Boom.
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 Boom. I'm just gonna fast forward. Use.
These kids are arguing in the GE.
The ground raises. Alright, cool. Now use the urn on the Chalice of Eternity. The Chalice of Eternity is the circle thing, right?
Yeah, just make sure you don't click on it. Like, without the urn.
Use.
Like, use the urn on it.
Yay! I did it! Ah!
See you later, headphone users.
Alright, cool. Now, how do we get out? Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I don't know if you liked it. I know I'm like a huge noob. But, you know, anyway. Thanks for watching through my first quest. Dank, you want to say something?
No.
Okay. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.